In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Claude AI account in just 5 minutes. Let's get started by logging into your Claude AI account. You'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Claude AI website. Once you're there, make sure you enter your login credentials, which will take you to your main dashboard. If you run into any issues logging in, double-check your email and password to ensure they're correct. If you ever forget your password, there's always an option to reset it using your email. Now, once you're logged in, direct your attention to the lower left corner of the page, where you'll see either your initials or your displayed name. Clicking here is your gateway to further account options, including the settings menu we need to access. If you're having trouble finding it, look closely at the lower left section of your screen, often nestled right above any menu links or contact options. After clicking on your initials or name, a menu will appear. From here, you'll select Settings. The Settings page is the hub for all your account configurations, so spend a moment familiarizing yourself with its layout. This is where you'll find control over things like email notifications and personal information, providing a comprehensive view of your account customization options. Next, you're going to click on the Account section. This page focuses on your core account details, including data management and, crucially, account deletion. It offers a centralized area for everything account-related, allowing you to manage your account settings effectively. Once you've navigated to the Account section, scroll down until you see the option labeled Delete Account. This is your essential step for initiating the removal process. Don't rush this part. Take the time to be sure that this is the decision you want to make. Deleting an account is permanent, and you'll lose access to all associated data and any personalized settings once it's gone. Upon selecting Delete Account, you'll encounter a prompt that asks for confirmation of your decision. This will typically involve clicking a button or checkbox that says, "I understand." It's crucial to read through any of the confirmatory text offered here, as it explains what deleting your account entails and any information that you may lose in the process. Finally, confirm your choice by clicking Delete. This last step will complete the process of removing your account from the platform. After you click this button, your account and all related data will be permanently deleted, and you'll be logged out. Remember, this action is irrevocable. That's it. You've successfully navigated through deleting your Claude AI account in just a few steps. If you ever change your mind, you'll need to create a new account from scratch. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips and guides.